How to go vegan for beginners, my few tips. If you are curious about the vegan lifestyle or you have the interest to make that big switch to become a vegan, you may want to do some gradual changes in your lifestyle. Whether becoming a vegan is your way of expressing your advocacy on animal rights or for the environment, or you want to make the big switch for some health reasons, it helps a lot to learn everything you can about it before making the big jump. Of course, anything done in abrupt, especially when it concerns your body, may not do you any good, so take time to understand them and make the changes gradual. Even before making that big decision in becoming a vegan, you have to keep in mind that a vegan is far more stricter than just preferring plant food over animal food, so you have to prepare. The transition to becoming a vegan can be a challenge, and of course, it is important that you can stick to that kind of lifestyle if you really want to. To help you have a good start, here are a few things that you may find useful. 1. Know why you want to become a vegan. This is a major shift in what you eat and not eat, so make sure that you are committed to this practice. Of course, by knowing why you want to go vegan is important, so you will also not just waste your time and effort on something that you are not sure why you are doing. 2. Learn about the foods for vegans. It is important that you know the substitutes for animal food, as you also need to have complete nutrition even if you don't have animal food in your diet. This is important, as you will also need to have proteins and other essential nutrients for your daily needs, and knowing the plant source for them as well. 3. Create your diet plan. Of course, there are lots of ways for you to enjoy plant food, and you can also find substitute for most of the foods that you are enjoying before as well. By creating a plan, you will help yourself in easy preparation as well as convenience in your food planning as well. Becoming a vegan can indeed be a challenge, and with the right goal in mind, you can indeed become a vegan without having to go through some health risks and major life changes. And to help you get started on your vegan journey, we have some recommended resources for you in the description box below this video. Check them out today. Click the links for details. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel for more informative healthy videos.